Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's hunting season, and today I'm cooking up something unique and full of flavor, duck burgers. If you've never had duck before, you're in for a treat. Duck meat is rich and slightly gamey, which makes for an incredible burger experience. So let's get started. Here's what you'll need. 2 tablespoons of duck fat, 2 yellow onions, 2 slices of horseradish cheddar, 1 cup of arugula, 3 tablespoons of mayo, 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, 1 teaspoon of whole grain mustard, 1 pound of ground duck, 2 burger buns, jalapenos, and salt and pepper. We'll start off with our peppers. Just slice these up. We're gonna be caramelizing them. We'll be using 2 tablespoons of duck fat. Add them to the pan and cook them on medium-low for about 20 to 30 minutes. You want these onions soft, sweet, and golden brown. Go ahead and season them with salt and pepper. Now we're going to make a quick aioli for our burger. We'll start off with 3 tablespoons of mayo, 1 teaspoon of whole grain mustard, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, and get to zesting that lemon because we're going to use the zest and juice of 1 lemon. The zestiness of the lemon is going to cut right through that rich duck meat. It's amazing. Now season with a little salt and give it a nice big stir to make sure all the ingredients are combined. Now slice your cheese. Today I'm using horseradish cheddar. I love using this cheese because it adds a sharp, zesty flavor that pairs well with the richness of the duck. On to the burger patties. This is quite simple. We're using ground duck, salt, and pepper. Mix well, and we're going to be shaping them into patties that are about 1/3 of a pound each. Ground duck tends to be wetter and stickier than beef, so I'm not adding any fillers to avoid a soggy texture. These are going to be all about that rich duck flavor. Now it's time to cook the burgers. Heat up a cast iron pan over high heat and add a little duck fat. Once it's hot, place them in the pan one at a time. Push down on the patties to flatten them somewhat. This should help them cook quicker. Sear your patties for about 90 seconds and then flip them. Once again, push down on your patties so that they aren't too thick. We're going to sear them for 90 seconds on this side as well. Now top each patty with caramelized onions and a slice of horseradish cheddar. Cover the pan to help melt the cheese and cook the burgers for another minute or so. After the patties are cooked, don't forget to toast your burger buns in the same pan with a little duck fat. This step adds so much extra flavor. Alright, now it's time to assemble. Start by adding aioli to both sides of the toasted bun. Next, add the arugula to the bottom of the bun. Now place your juicy duck patty on top. I like to garnish mine with some pickled jalapenos that add a spicy kick. Look at that. A perfectly seared, juicy duck burger with all the right toppings. The richness of the duck, the sweet caramelized onions, the zippy horseradish cheddar, and the creamy aioli. It's the perfect bite. If you've never had a duck burger before, I highly recommend giving this a try. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. See you next time, and happy cooking.
Very good. Really sweet and yummy.
The dressing's really nice and it goes well with the duck, and especially the onions.